Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix World of Warcraft Midnight game not launching, not opening, showing black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So when you search for the game, you can go below, and after you go below, here are the system requirements to play the game. So make sure your PC have all the required specs, and after that try to launch the game and then check if the game is launching or not. If not, next method is to modify launch option. So what you need to do is go to battle.net and search for the game. Now here I am showing you an example. Just have to click on the setting icon over here, and after that go to the game settings. Now here you have to click on additional command line arguments and have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. But if this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. If the issue continues, again come back, type -d3d11 and then try to launch the game and then check if the game is launching or not. But if the issue continues, come back, remove the launch option, uncheck additional command line arguments and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to run game as administrator. So for that you have to go to the file explorer to the game application. So go to the game application, and here is the game application. Right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and then try to launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. But if the issue continues again and again, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to scan and repair corrupt game files. So for that, go to battle.net. Now here you have to select the game and after that click on the settings icon, and here you can see scan and repair, click on it and then click on begin scan. So wait for some time. After scanning and repairing the installation files, now check if the game is launching or not. If not, next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. Now click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. So first of all, search for the game. If you cannot find the game, you simply have to click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, search for the game or select the game. After that, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Once done, launch the game and then check. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. So GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and here switch off in-game overlay options as you can see in the image. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay options as you can see in the image. Next method is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA, Shadowplay, MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next is to move the game to SSD. So make sure your game is installed on SSD rather than other drive. If your game is installed on other drive, then crashing or several other issues can occur. So you are suggested to first check and move the game to SSD if possible, or install the game on SSD and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser, or even you can search for Visual C++ files in Google. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link. After it is downloaded, click on it to open. You will get repair or install option. Click on repair and wait for some time. Now after you get successful message, close this, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch the game and check whether it's playing or not, or working or not. If not, next is to update your graphics card. So make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description, and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and wait for some time. It will check if any update is available, and after updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and check. Next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. Now go to the game folder, select the game application, add the game application to the list. Now after it is added, here you have to click on the arrow icon under GPU preference. You have to select high performance. Once you've done this, launch the game and then check. If not, next is to change virtual memory settings. For that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings. Now click on settings, click on advanced, click on change. Select the drive where your game has been installed. Select custom size. In the initial size, you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size, you have to type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. Once you have done this, launch the game and then check. But if the issue continues again and again, then the final solution is to reinstall World of Warcraft Midnight game. So for that, go to battle.net, select the game, click on the options over here, and here you can see uninstall option. Click on it and then finally click on yes uninstall option. So this will remove the game completely from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch battle.net, select your game, reinstall the game once again, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not.